Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today I'm going to be making South Carolina spaghetti meatballs using turkey meatballs from Muscle Food to make this recipe super clean. And this recipe is enough to serve 2 people. Now we'll be using some South Carolina sauce as part of Muscle Food's summer flavours range, as well as some of their turkey meatballs. So to begin with, place 8 lean turkey meatballs into an oven dish, then open up your sachet of South Carolina sauce. Pour the sauce into the oven dish, ensuring the meatballs are covered all over. You'll then need to place the turkey meatballs into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and leave to cook for about 20 minutes. And meanwhile, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. So take a medium-sized onion, slice the ends off, slice in half and peel, then add to a mini food processor. Also add 2 peeled garlic cloves and then finely chop. And if you don't have a food processor, simply finely chop using a sharp knife. Next, take a saucepan and place over a medium heat on the stove and add a couple of squirts of spray oil. Then add your chopped onion and garlic and fry for about 5 minutes. Then, whilst remaining over a medium heat, add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of oregano, then season with some salt and pepper. Then stir the ingredients together and leave to simmer for about 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened up nicely. Also cook 200 grams of spaghetti in boiling water according to the instructions on the packet. Then once everything's cooked, drain the spaghetti from its water and serve up into a bowl. Take the tomato sauce off the stove when you're happy with its thickness, then pour this onto the spaghetti, then take the turkey meatballs from the oven. Make sure the meatballs are cooked through and there's absolutely no pink in the middle, then serve up 4 turkey meatballs per portion on top of the tomato sauce. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make a lean spaghetti meatballs dish marinated in this delicious Muscle Foods South Carolina sauce.